Everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how I deep clean a mounted white extractor fan. So as you can see, it's not too bad. It's just quite a bit of grease and a bit of dust mixed together. That's why it looks all clogged up. So I'm going to be showing you what I use to basically get rid of that. So I'm going to be using the Cif cream cleaner, and I'm also going to be using my Dishmatic with washing up liquid inside, and also a toothbrush, a cleaning toothbrush. So I begin with using the Dishmatic with the detergent because I just want to, degrease and remove all the dust and all the oils that are attached. So I find using dishwashing liquid works more effectively because it just kind of like eases, the process. So it just takes off the grease and all the dust and makes the cleaning a lot easier. So if you've not watched my video prior, check it out where I show you all the places that I use my Dishmatic. And I'm now just wiping off the excess product using a microfiber cloth. I then get my Cif cream cleaner and that toothbrush, and I just basically work all around the deep areas that really need a bit of attention, especially where dust has been collecting quite a bit of time. So this works really well. It's like a perfect team. The toothbrush gets in all the areas that I normally wouldn't be able to get into, so that's why I use that toothbrush. And then I just wipe off using a microfiber cloth. As you can see, a bit of the dust and the dirt have just come off. So yeah, I'm really impressed with this so far, and I'm going to repeat the process again and using the Cif. You can use another cream cleaner if you've got one, and I'm not going to focus on the base because that's where most of all the grease normally gets collected up. Just be careful not to have everything turned off and yeah, and just work your way there. Use a microfiber cloth again to just wipe off all the excess product, and just repeat the process as many times as you need to. This is what this one looks like now. It's looking a lot better than it did at the start. So yeah, this is just what I normally would recommend to clean that. If you're enjoying the content, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in the next video, and if you can't wait till then, please check out all my other videos on the channel and let me know what you guys are up to. What are you looking forward to seeing from my channel? So until then, have a good day, and I'll see you then. Bye.